2025, Caterpillar made a thunderous return to the heavy machinery stage with the reintroduction of a beast reborn, redesigned, and more dominant than ever. The Caterpillar D70 Bulldozer is not just a machine, it's a force of nature, engineered for modern-day titans. With decades of rugged legacy under its belt, this latest version combines raw Caterpillar DNA with futuristic upgrades tailored for extreme terrains, mega infrastructure, and high-stakes construction sites. Asterisk, the D70 commands attention the moment it rolls in. Its wide-body stance, armored steel contours, and oversized track system make it an unshakable presence on any job site. Powered by an upgraded Tier 4 final diesel engine, it delivers monstrous torque with minimal emissions. And for the first time, Caterpillar introduces hybrid assist technology in this range, giving the D70 greater fuel efficiency and reduced noise without compromising power. It's built not just to move mountains, but to do it cleaner, smarter, and faster than anything in its class. Asterisk, step into the operator cabin, and it feels like stepping into the cockpit of a high-tech fortress. The interior is fully sealed, climate-controlled, and insulated against vibration. Multiple touchscreen displays give real-time diagnostics, terrain mapping, and load feedback. Caterpillar's latest command-control joystick system offers precision with minimal operator fatigue. Advanced visibility cameras, radar detection, and AI terrain analysis turn grueling work into a surprisingly intelligent experience. Asterisk, what truly sets the 2025 D70 apart is its intelligence. With built-in connectivity to CAT's global FleetLink. The machine constantly sends performance reports, service alerts, and location data in real time. Onboard AI learns terrain behavior and adjusts blade pressure and track control accordingly. Whether it's shale, sand, or reinforced concrete, the D70 doesn't flinch, it adapts. Asterisk, the 2025 Caterpillar D70 isn't just a comeback, it's a declaration. It's the new heavyweight champion of earth-moving, combining the brute legacy of Caterpillar with the precision of future tech. It's not here to participate, it's here to dominate. Asterisk, the 2025 Caterpillar D70 is more than just an upgrade, it's a symbol of evolution, where legacy meets innovation. Every bolt, every gear, and every sensor on this bulldozer has been engineered to face the harshest realities of modern construction. Whether it's carving out highways through mountains or leveling unstable ground for mega projects, the D70 delivers unmatched resilience. Its reinforced hydraulic system, automatic blade leveling, and torque-boosted traction mean it doesn't just perform, it leads. Caterpillar hasn't just revived a legend, it has redefined what heavy machinery can achieve. This isn't the return of a machine, it's the rise of a modern-day monster, ready to shape the world 1 inch at a time. Asterisk.